Namaste Udyog Shakthi Maharashtra. I am Rahul Pawar from Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. Here we have displayed DXG 200 product. It is one of the cost-effective automation solution to machine this type of component with the size range of up to 200 and with the width of 100 mm. This machine is originated from our highest selling machine DX200, which is capable of heavy cutting with the precision and also having the unique features like as a high speed turrets, so that reducts in the cycle time. That the beauty of the DX200 has now attached with the automation, where component will be automatically picked up by the gantry. It is a part of the machine. It will load on the machine, and the machine component will get unloaded and will pick up in the gantry, which reduces operator work, and machine continuously can run without stoppage. It will improve the productivity and it will improve the cost efficiency of the machine. We, Jyoti CNC Automation Limited, one of the largest manufacturers of metal cutting machines with the wider range of product catering to different segments, like as a automobile, aerospace, defense, die and mold, then electronics. So we are here to displaying our products, and we see good footworks